Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on averages. Here comes the question. Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? In an apartment complex, the number of people aged 51 years and above is 30 and there are at most 39 people whose ages are below 51 years. The average age of all the people in the apartment complex is 38 years. What is the largest possible average age in years of all the people whose ages are below 51 years? Fine. We have two groups here. One is people who are aged 51 years and above, and the other group is people whose ages are below 51 years. This is about ages. Now, the number of people, if you take number of persons in these two groups, we have exactly 30 people here, but here number of persons is at most 39, means less than or equal to 39. When we find the average of the entire apartment complex, the average age is 38 years. Now the question is asking what is the largest possible average age in years of all the people whose ages are below 51 years. So we need to find the maximum average of this particular group. Let me assume for some time this largest possible average is X here. Okay, but what about this average here of this group? We said it's greater than or equal to 51. 51 or more. If this has to be maximum, this should be minimum. Then only we can have this value maximum. Let me explain here. Suppose you take two persons. One person is say 12, another person is 16. What is the average? 12 plus 16, 28 by 2, 14 is the average. If you see this person is how much more? 2 more. This person is how much less? 2 less. Because it's 2 more here, it should be 2 less. So the excess here should be equal to the shortfall there. Suppose instead of that, if I say the average is 14, but this person is 17, then what will be this person's age? Because this person is 3 more, this person will be 3 less. So then it will become 11. Both cases the average is 14 only. Because this person is 3 years more, this person is 3 years less. You can see 11 plus 17 by 2, 28 by 2, 14 or not? Yes. So if this has to be, see, if this has to be more, if this is not a very big number, then this will not be a big number in terms of absolute value. So the difference will not be big. So hence it will have maximum value, right? So hence I'll take 51 here, X. But what about number of people? It is at most 39 people, he said. So we'll take 39 and work it out. If it is 39 people, then you may say why 39, why not less? We will discuss that. So first we'll take 39 people. If it is 39 people and the average is X, what is the total? 39X. 30 people and average is 51. What is the total? 30 into 51. But when you add them, total divided by entire group, 39 plus 30, 69 people, this average is going to be 38. If I cross multiply and solve the equation, you 39x plus 30 into 51 and you multiply this and get the equation, you get x is 28. But we can avoid this calculation. How? Let me see. We have two groups here. One group's average is 51, another group's average is x, and the overall average is 38. Here how much is the excess by this group? Each excess in the average of this group 13. So now, but like that but number of people here is not same like here. I have one person here, one person in this example I gave you, but here number of people is not same. Like this, how many people are there in this group? 30 people are. So the excess here will be 13 into 30. The excess here should be equal to the shortfall here. But what is the number of people here? I am assuming 39. Why not less? We will discuss 39. So if it is 39 people, if the shortfall is how much? Let us assume some y. Y is the shortfall. So 39 into y should be equal to 13 into 30. You can say 13 threes, 3 tens. So y equals to 10. If y equals to 10 means what is y? I said the shortfall. If the shortfall is 10 means the average here is 28, I can say. Right? Okay. Now, or you can do this calculation, you still get the same answer. We can avoid this calculation. That's why I have not done the calculation. Look at this here. Now, if you observe here, I said the shortfall here should be equal to the excess here. I said 39 into y equals to 13 into 30. So y equals to 13 into 30 by 39 actually, which I simplified and got 10 there. Suppose if this number is not 39, if this number is less than 39, if this number is less than 39, the y value will increase. When the denominator is less, the fraction value will increase. So y value, if it is less than 39, y will increase. Y means what? This difference will increase. Instead of 10, probably you will get 10 point something. When this difference increases, this will still come down. It will come down. So please understand, 39y should be equal to 13 into, 39y should be equal to 390. If this becomes less, this y will increase or not? Product should be constant, means if one is decreasing, other one should increase. So when y increases, the difference increases, this x value will be still less. But I want largest possible value of x. That can happen only when I take 39, right? I gave it two explanations. One, y is 13 into 30 by 39 means when the denominator is decreasing, y value will be increasing. Once y value increases, this difference is increasing, then this x will be, instead of 10, if it is 11, then it will be still less there. That's the reason we can obtain the maximum value for this group when I have 39 people. And what is that maximum average? We have 28. So our answer is 28 years. Right? Thank you.